Today we are traveling from North to South America to make a true Peruvian specialty. I realized last time I cooked with seafood was fisque soup, and that was 5 episodes ago, so I thought it was time for some shrimps. I decided to go with Chupe de Camarones because it's light, creamy, with shrimp stock undertones and sweet and briny shrimp meat. Interesting fact is that this soup originates not from Peruvian seaside, but far from it, all the way from the rocky Andes. The shrimps were gathered from the rivers and not the sea, so traditionally it's made in spring or summer, in time of river shrimp season. It is made as a fusion of Spanish colonial kitchen, with cream, butter and flour, and native ingredients like corn, potatoes and peppers. In Arequipa, there is traditional chupes order, one soup for every day of the week. Chupe de Camarones is eaten in Sunday, a peak of the week, because it's considered the tastiest. We'll start by making shrimp stock. Add water and toss in a pot all the shells and heads saved from cleaning shrimps. Let it simmer for 20 minutes to half an hour. After, strain the liquid and save it for later. Discard the rest. Heat hefty amount of butter in the soup pot. When it's hot and ready, add onions, peppers, and garlic. Stir it and let it sweat for a couple of minutes. Add tomato paste and then flour. Leave it for a few minutes more and then add water and shrimp stock. When it gets to boiling point, add corn pieces, potatoes and peas. I used canned peas, but you can use frozen or fresh. Top it all with hefty amount of dried oregano and leave it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After, add heavy cream, shrimps, and top it off with salt. Cook for just few minutes more, and we are all said and done. I ate the soup straight after making it, so I don't know if it's better after it sits for a bit, but I can tell you it was delicious while hot. As always, thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.